Welcome back my YouTube channel, Old Coin Z Collection. If you're a coin collector or just love diving into the history and mysteries of old coins, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring the fascinating story of the 1972 Netherlands Gulden coin, a coin rumored to be worth an unbelievable $70 million. But is it true? Stick around as we uncover the facts, history, and real value behind this legendary coin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more incredible coin stories and full details. Country Netherlands. Period Queen Juliana 1949. 1980 Currency Dutch Guilder coin. Type circulation. Coins denomination Gulden. Year 1972 Ruler Juliana. Composition nickel edge. Type lettered edge. Description God asterisk ZJ asterisk Met asterisk ONS asterisk. Shape round alignment coin 180 degrees. Weight G6 diameter 25 thickness 1.8. Let's start with a bit of history. The Gulden coin, also known as the Riksdaalder, was a key part of Dutch currency for centuries. The 1972 version features Queen Juliana of the Netherlands on the obverse and the Dutch coat of arms on the reverse. This coin was struck in nickel and was primarily used for daily transactions. So, how did a simple coin like this end up being associated with such an astronomical value? Let's dig deeper. Now let's talk about the design. The 1972 Gulden coin is quite stunning for its time. On the front, you'll see a beautiful portrait of Queen Juliana, surrounded by the words Juliana Koningin der Nederlanden, meaning Juliana, Queen of the Netherlands. The reverse showcases the Dutch coat of arms, a crown shield with a lion holding a sword and arrows, along with the denomination 1G and the year 1972. But here's an interesting fact. The coin's edges are smooth, which makes it stand out compared to other coins with reeded edges. Collectors often look for these small details to determine a coin's authenticity and value. Now to the big question. Why is this coin rumored to be worth $70 million? Well, the internet is full of myths and misinformation. Some sellers on online platforms like eBay or coin forums list rare coins with exaggerated prices to grab attention. This has led to a lot of confusion among collectors and enthusiasts. While the 1972 Gulden coin is certainly valuable, especially in pristine condition, no verified sale has ever reached $70 million. In fact, the actual value depends on factors like rarity, condition, and historical significance. Let's break down the real value of this coin. The 1972 Gulden is not a rare coin, as it was produced in large quantities for circulation. However, coins in mint condition, graded as MS65 or higher, can fetch anywhere between $20 to $50. If you have a proof coin, those specially made for collectors, it might be worth slightly more, up to $100, but let me be clear. Unless your coin has an incredibly unique error or historical connection, it's not going to make you a millionaire. So, always research before believing outrageous claims. If you own a 1972 Gulden coin, here's how you can evaluate its condition. Scratches, dents, or discoloration lower the value. Look for sharpness in the Queen's portrait and the coat of arms. Check for any minting errors, like double die or off-center strikes. If you're serious about selling, consider getting your coin graded by a professional service like PCGS or NGC. A professionally graded coin often sells for more because buyers trust the certification. Before we wrap up, here are some tips for coin collectors. Learn the history and market value of the coins you collect. Be cautious of sellers claiming ridiculous values without proof. Use coin holders or albums to protect your coins from damage. Coin collecting is a rewarding hobby, but patience and knowledge are key. Is the 1972 Gulden worth $70 million? Not quite, but it's still a fascinating piece of Dutch history and a great addition to any collection. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe my YouTube channel Old Coin Z Collection, and share it with your fellow coin enthusiasts. Have you ever come across a rare coin? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy collecting.